Salut YouTube, je dis on clique. Aujourd'hui, on va cliquer sur Deponia, petit jeu indé qui est sorti il y a déjà plus de 13 ans de ça. Il est sorti en 2012 en Allemagne, studio allemand Daedalic Entertainment, qui est sorti chez nous plus précisément en juin 2012. Un petit point and click qui se déroule dans un petit univers mélange décharge et steampunk. Et que j'avais commencé le jeu il y a fort longtemps et que je n'ai pas et que je l'ai pas fini du tout. Je suis allé qu'au début du jeu, donc ça va être pas une redécouverte, mais on va dire ça va être une découverte totale. On va dire ça plutôt. Qui a eu des très bons retours. Alors par contre le son du jeu, comment il est? Un peu fort, hein, non? Ou je l'ai pas mis? Ouais, j'ai pas mis le son du jeu. On va le baisser un peu. Toujours en train de régler. Alors attendez que je regarde le retour. Et bonjour YouPorn, oui bien entendu, et joyeux Noël de la part de Nono pour vous YouTube. Ah, Jess il confond plein de choses tout le temps, de toute façon. C'est, il a dit à une autre plateforme YouTube, t'en fais pas. Du coup, Deponia, j'ai à peu près dit ce qu'il fallait. Alors l'univers est un peu loufoque. Alors attendez. Par contre, on va pas faire les doublages. On va laisser les dialogues en anglais, sous-titré. Et là, vu que j'ai la voix, ouais. Et vu que j'ai la voix un peu cassée, on va éviter de faire les doublages, parce que sinon je n'aurai plus de voix. Donc ça c'est bon. Voilà, les voix ça devrait le faire. Voilà, on a fait les paramètres. On a les sous-titres, ok, mode plein d'écran c'est bon. On a tout ce qu'il faut. Je remets. Et on va remonter un petit peu. Voilà, on va laisser le dialogue et les effets sonores un peu à fond. Et ça devrait le faire. Et merci Nono. Excusez-moi. Je crois que j'ai attrapé la maladie de Noël. Et puis on va découvrir tout ça, hein. Bon bah on va lancer le jeu après plus de 5 minutes de paramétrage. Allez, on va se faire ce petit dépognard. Alors. Voilà, on va faire l'inventaire par la molette, hein. Ce sera très bien.
Huh? What is it now? Wasn't the game supposed to have started already?
Yeah, well, yes. But the junk press broke down, and we thought we'd use the time for a little tutorial.
Who thought that? I don't need no stinking tutorials.
So how are you going to fix the junk press?
Just watch me and learn.
Maybe you want to listen to what I have to say first?
But you don't have anything to say.
Oh, come on. It won't be long. Just point the cursor at me and left click.
We'll see about that.
Alors, là, on fait la petite phase de tuto. Comme ça, on verra un petit peu l'univers décalé où on est. D'ailleurs, on voit ce petit bonhomme Wenzel qui est sur des chiottes, bien entendu, avec la petite chasse.
This is Wenzel, my sidekick, the eternal number 2.
You were supposed to talk to me, not look at me. If you keep that up, you'll ruin the whole tutorial.
Computer, talk to Wenzel.
You don't have to say that explicitly.
Who's talking to you?
Why, you are. You clicked on me.
Smarty pants. Just tell me what's wrong with the junk press. And stop wiggling your feet.
It's pressing only very gently now and doesn't really squish sufficiently.
Hey, every idiot can see that.
Well, why don't you present the tutorial then?
Okay, piece of cake. But first, I'll explain,
On va expliquer, parler à quelqu'un, c'est faire comment regarder un objet.
look at an object.
I know that.
I see. And how?
I point my cursor at it and right-click when I see the eye icon.
Well, the theory is easy, but how about the actual practice?
Hey, this is your tutorial.
You're a cop-out, but be that as it may, I'll demonstrate. Do you see that little thingy on the floor over there? I will now use the tongue icon.
The eye icon.
Yeah, I will now click on it, thusly having a look at it. So you better watch closely.
Donc ça doit être sûrement le yin.
What's that?
It's a cathode plunger.
Thanks for the input, Wenzel, but I recognize a hydro clamp duplexer when I see one. Too bad I can only look at it. A duplexer like that could be useful.
You can pick it up. You just have to point your cursor at it so the hand icon appears. If you left-click now, you'll pick it up.
There has to be an easier way.
If you say so.
Mhm.
Okay,
Pour le
picked
moment.
up the duplexer, but what am I supposed to do with it now?
You put it into your inventory. That's where all the items go. You've picked up that object. Now you can open your inventory by using your mouse wheel.
Hey, there it is.
Correct! This is your inventory.
Yeah, I knew that.
It's where you can see what you're carrying around. You still know how to do that, don't you?
Et je combine les deux.
Look, Wenzel, I'm almost done.
Impressive. But I mean that.
Ok. On le met où? On le met ici.
Huh, it fits.
Now you have to,
Hey, you don't have to spoon feed me. I'll manage the rest.
if you say so.
Bah, on appuie sur le bouton.
Rufus, there's one more thing.
I told you I'd manage without your help. Now, all I have to do is press this button here, and right away...
Ah,
Oh, how I love tutorials.
très bien.
It's kind of pathetic, you get all erratic about dirty dishes congesting the sink. I'm tired of your bothers, remember our fathers that dwelled in a world filled with rubbish and stink. But when all hope was lost, someone raised from the dust. He was handsome and cunning, his haircut had style, courage was shining in his eyes. As he said, screw you guys, mind your own business, I'm off now, goodbye. Huzzah, he's off now, goodbye.
Junk. Junk. And more junk. A life of order and happiness. Oh, my bad. That was junk too. Well, that does it. I need to leave this dump. Fortunately, this time my plan is foolproof. This time everything will work out. Where did I put my list? Heck, I really have to get away from this junkyard.
Ok. Donc nous voilà dans un appartement. On ne sait pas lequel c'est. Et tout ce qu'on sait, c'est qu'on est entouré d'ordures et qu'on doit s'échapper de cette planète.
It really is time I got out of here.
Et il faut charger sa petite liste. Ok.
Oh, my father left me, besides alone, was this stupid wooden trunk. Then he left Deponia, without me.
Ok.
My father left me a trunk before he left me. I don't want to open it. I don't want to be disappointed yet again.
Ok, très bien.
This could be useful.
Donc on a récupéré
The oil is rancid, but I could use
du
it for
feu.
gas. The best thing about it is the can.
Flacon d'huile. Ok, on peut récupérer. Ça, on peut pas l'ouvrir.
Blech. Nah, like always, there's only junk on TV.
Allez. Allez voir le salon. Alors, ça c'est les trousses
first aid kit.
d'urgence.
It saved my life several times, but since the time I tried to build a shrapnel-propelled jet, there's no Band-Aid left. The only thing in there now is Tony's tranquilizer. Locked. Tony must have the key.
Ok. Donc faudra trouver la clé auprès de cette fameuse Tony. Petit nouveau
Another
énervant.
note from Tony. What's she complaining about now? Will you please clean the bathroom for once? Yeah, right. In her dreams.
Ah, c'est la salle de bain ici. On peut rien faire d'autre. Ok. Lavabo.
Blech. What gnat's piss? Ugh.
Bah c'est sûr que si on est dans une
Huh.
décharge.
Today's for sure. Whoa.
Ah. La brosse à dents, elle a pas
The
envie.
toothbrush bailed out on me. Guess I should have kept it in a more germ-free environment.
On peut peut-être prendre la ventouse alors. Alors. Détergent.
I usually leave that stuff for Tony. I've only used it once. But all my clothes got discolored and the shed burned down.
Ok, très bien. On va prendre du détergent. Les cisailles, ça peut toujours servir. Par contre, il faudra que je vois la brosse à dents, comment je fais pour la choper. Alors, maintenant, on continue de visiter, de choper tout ce qu'on peut.
Do the dishes already. They won't do themselves. Oh yeah? Well, I'll take that chance.
Allez, on va faire la vaisselle alors. Oui, mais bon. Ok. Du coup, on a récupéré plein de trucs là, du coup. On commence à récupérer plein d'objets là. Post-it enragé.
You scoffed all the food yet again, and I keep finding your crap in the fridge. What the hell's wrong with you? Huh? I don't understand the question.
Très bien. Ah, une chaussette. Dans le frigo, impeccable. On a une veste ici.
I'll have a quick look. See if I can find something useful in the pockets. Hey, there really was something in there. A sock. Cool.
Ah bah,
Well, I think that's all. Should be enough.
ok.
The good old sofa. Too bad I can't fit it into my escape pod. I've had the most amazing ideas sitting here. Plus, you can always find leftovers in it.
Et là, on va récupérer la petite note en plus.
You're not supposed to eat on the sofa. I keep finding leftovers in it. Huh? Well, isn't that a good thing?
Complètement perdu le mec.
Ugh, cold.
Ah, attends. Si on allume le four.
Something flammable to start the fire.
Ah, l'huile. Ah,
But without
alors. Non.
adding oil to the flames is not part of my escape plan, but it's an integral part of Plan B.
Ok, très bien.
The good old soap. Too bad I can't. I've had the plus. You. The good old soap. Too bad I've plus.
Alors.
Adding oil to the flames is not but.
Ok. Donc il n'y a rien à faire en fait. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire maintenant? Ok.
Ah! Whoa, what's that?
Elle a mis un piège, la meuf.
Guillotine, so I won't enter her room? Whoa, that girl has issues. I honestly wonder why we were ever together at all.
Je sais pas ce qu'on lui a fait, mais ça doit pas être coton.
Stay out of my room. You have no business in there anymore. Who does Tony think she is? I've got better things to do than rummage through her drawers. No, I haven't finished packing.
Mais la liste, elle est où?
Ah,
Ah, elle est là. Ok.
let's see. Seems like I've packed almost everything I need. All I need now are some provisions. The toothbrush, a pair of socks, and a bolt cutter. A bolt cutter? What the? Well, guess I must have had a reason to put it on the list.
Alors.
I can see
J'ai
it's
mal
not
lu la
worth it.
liste. Pas fait gaffe. Alors, vas-y. La liste. Du coup, les 2 paires de chaussettes, c'est bon. La brosse à dents, le machin et des provisions. Ok. Du coup.
I should find the matching sock first. I don't want to.
Ouais, mais. J'avais pas trouvé une autre paire de chaussettes. Ok. De toute façon, le seul truc qu'on a trouvé.
Or if
Le seul truc qu'on a trouvé pour le moment, c'est la cisaille.
bolt cutter, for whatever reason. Check.
Ok. Donc on va continuer à chercher. Parce qu'il nous faut des provisions aussi. Comment on fait pour attraper aussi la brosse à dents?
No, I have.
Ok. Ah, le placard, vas-y.
Huh, not a chance. The handle is missing and I can't get my fingers into the cracks.
Il manque la poignée. Mhm. Ok, impeccable.
Ouch! I'm not sticking my hand. The mouse skedaddle, which doesn't.
Ok, j'ai récupéré une tapette à souris. Je ne sais pas à quoi ça va me servir. Mais du coup, il n'y a plus rien dans le frigo. Et il n'y a plus rien. Ah! Peut-être la fourchette pour...
Luckily, I'm a gifted lockpicker.
Ouais,
Damn.
on avance très
I
bien.
would've had a piece of cake with the right tool.
Ah bah non. Ce n'est pas ça. Ok, là, de toute façon, on a tout récupéré. La brosse à dents, je sais plus comment on fait pour la récupérer. Ok, là, il n'y a rien. Ah,
Well, those are 2 socks, all right, but I need a pair.
ah, t'as besoin d'une paire.
Come on, brushy, brushy, brushy. Come to Papa. Oh, crap. I need a better plan to catch it.
Et si je lui mettrais du détergent?
There's nothing left to the mouse, which doesn't. Why would I want to clean in there? It's dark. Why would I want to? It's dark.
Alors, on va mettre la tapette.
I don't think this will.
Non, c'est pas ça. C'est con qu'on peut pas ouvrir son coffre.
What's this? A sock? That explains why I've had such cheesy dreams.
Ok. Oh, ok, d'accord. Je pense savoir trouver la solution. Parce qu'il avait dit qu'il y avait du délavé. Donc si je fais marmite plein d'eau avec les détergents, ok. Et si je mets une chaussette
I
là-dedans.
may not be an expert, but I'm too bad.
Ah d'accord, donc il faudrait que j'allume le... Ah bah, c'est bon. On va utiliser ça pour le faire cramer.
In you go.
Ok. Ensuite, le chalumeau. Impeccable. Ah bah on va faire la lessive en fait. Ok. Et on va mettre les chaussettes dedans.
I may not be an expert, but I'm sure I need a hot wash.
Ok. On va mettre toutes les chaussettes.
I may not be an expert.
Ok. Très bien. Et avec la fourchette, je récupère, je pense, les chaussettes. Hein.
Whoa, look at that. The sock changed color. Who would have thought it? But where's the other one? Clear case of subtractive color mixing.
Ah bah impeccable. La paire de chaussettes, on l'a. Le flacon d'huile usagée, c'est bon. Peut-être utiliser la tablette à souris dans le... Ici.
Nah, I don't think this will work without the right bait.
Ah, il me faudra un appât. Ok, très bien. Ah, si jamais vous avez des idées ou quoi que ce soit, n'hésitez pas à participer. Hein. Les jeudis on clique, c'est aussi pour ça. Hein. Moi, je réfléchis, mais si jamais vous regardez et vous avez des idées, n'hésitez pas. Hein. Et toi aussi, YouTube. On a,
Check.
on a les chaussettes.
I won't have a use for this junk once I'm in Elysium. I should stick to the list.
Ok. Du coup. Donc, faut trouver des provisions. Mais les provisions, là, je ne sais pas où c'est.
Ouch! That's hot.
Ah bah oui, maintenant c'est chaud. Hein.
But without something,
Ah! Ok. C'est bon, depuis tout à
it
l'heure.
already has plenty of oil stains.
Ah oui. Peut-être le laver le...
Let's get rid of this thing.
Ok.
But without something,
Ok, très bien.
seems there are still some wasabi peas in. I guess these will make good provisions for the journey.
Très bien. Et si on en mettait un petit peu des provisions là-dedans?
Now the little bugger's in for a surprise.
Ah bah oui, voilà. Elle est impeccable.
Come on, brushy, brushy, brushy. Come to Papa. Ha! Gotcha!
Tuto comment attraper une brosse à dents avec une tablette à souris.
Gotcha! I'll make you suffer the next time I brush my teeth.
Très bien. Alors. Maintenant, on a tout ce qu'il faut.
Provisions? Check.
Et la brosse à dents, complètement dégueulasse aussi.
Toothbrush? Check. Ha! Seems like I've packed everything. Oh, I can't close it anymore. Seems like I've got to unpack something, but what?
Euh...
It doesn't take that much space. I'll never be able to close the suitcase with a monster like that in there. I mean, I won't need a bolt cutter where I'm going. I wonder why it was on the list in the first place.
Ah bah oui.
Now it fits. Packed and ready to go. I think I just strained something.
Hey, Rufus, you should save your energy for the unavoidable drop into the abyss.
Yeah, thanks, Wenzel. You can save your sarcasm for someone less well-prepared than me. This time, I took everything into account. It'll be a stroll in the park.
Ah, that's what you said last time. It took us days to remove the cactus spikes from your butt, remember?
That's all toxic runoff under the bridge. This time, everything will work out. And when finally an Elysian orbit pixie massages my back, I'll ask her to pause for a minute so I can laugh about you.
Whatever. But say, can I have your stuff when you're gone?
Yeah, sure, help yourself. As if anything on this dump is valuable. It's time for me to leave all this behind.
Great. I hope you remembered to calibrate the harpoon.
I'll do that later, after I've stored everything in the pod.
Well, then hurry up. Well, you know that the Organon are always on time.
Ok, très bien. Euh,
There. Now where shall I put it? The storage space... The storage space is closed.
ok.
Oh, crap. The battery's using up all the space. There. And now? There we go. I just got that from there. And a sensor. I've been working on this for... It must have been since Monday.
Ok. Et où je peux mettre la batterie?
I just got that from the... If I remove the seat, it might just fit, but how's it going to be attached? And more importantly, where shall... No problem. Oh, crap. It's screwed tight.
Ok, très bien. Donc on va voir ce qu'on peut faire avec le petit bitonio. Alors,
I might be able to do without this.
très bien.
But how's it going to be attached? But how's it going to be attached? And more importantly, where shall I sit?
Ok, très bien. On va continuer à explorer un petit peu là.
I'll have to prepare the escape pod first. I want to be better prepared this time. I just need to prepare my escape pod for launch, adjust the harpoon, light the fuse, then the rockets will shoot a powerful electromagnet toward a passing Organon cruiser. The escape pod is connected to that very powerful electromagnet via a long chain. Once the magnet is attached to the Organon cruiser, I can reel in the chain with a pedal-operated winch system and pull myself and the pod up. Then, the cruiser will bring me directly to Elysium. This time, nothing can go wrong.
Très bien. On va continuer à parler un peu à tout le monde. Parce que je pense que j'ai pas tout pour pouvoir partir tout de suite là. Je peux pas lui parler?
See Wenzel. I wonder how I should send him a... Hey, Wenzel. Still stuck in no man's land? Yeah, something...
Ok. Alors. Ok, donc on est là-haut. On va sortir. Alors. Ça, c'est la petite sonnette. Ok. Un petit piment.
Hot.
Ah d'accord.
Tony always had weird tastes concerning flowers.
Est-ce qu'on a du courrier?
No problem. Oh, crap. It's screwed tight.
Ok. Ah ben ça va faire un nouveau siège, ça, et de la batterie.
Hello, Hannock.
Hey, well,
Rufus.
ah, I'm really terrible with names.
Mhm. Le tunnel est encore fermé.
Closed again?
Yes, we had another collapse in Sector 7.
Another junk slide? All this trash is really driving me nuts. I'm glad I'll be gone for good soon.
Are you?
You bet.
Well, I only know you won't be leaving through this tunnel.
Très bien. As-tu vu
You see
Tony?
Tony anywhere?
Tony?
Big, angry, breathes fire. My former girlfriend.
Ah, Tony. Well, I guess she's down in her store, working, like everybody else, except you.
Très bien.
Finally leave this junk heap of a planet.
Oh, yeah. Another one of your brilliant plans?
This time, it's absolutely foolproof.
Yeah, that's right. You being a fool and all. But I reckon you running around here has got nothing to do with any other problems.
No, it hasn't.
Well, good for you.
Okay, the plan itself is foolproof, but
Here we go.
I removed the seat, but where do I put the battery now? And where do I sit?
Well, seems like you need a kind of seat with a battery
Bah
compartment.
c'est ce que j'ai trouvé du coup.
A battery compartment? I've never seen anything like it.
Well, I have. I had one just like that. It was pretty comfortable. Until I accidentally found the switch.
Très bien.
I just need to prepare the capsule for the launch, adjust the harpoon.
Merci Nono d'être passé dans tous les cas et bon courage pour demain.
Uh-huh. Then what?
Et puis des beaux rêves. Et puis encore un joyeux Joël. Un noyeux Joël.
The escape pod is connected to that very powerful electromagnet via a long chain. Once the magnet is attached to the Organon cruiser, I can reel in the chain with a pedal-operated winch system and pull myself and the pod up.
I see. And then?
Then, the cruiser will bring me directly to Elysium.
Well, I really don't see how this plan of yours could go wrong.
Ah, j'ai mal lu le truc.
Don't worry, I'll... Again.
Ok.
Don't worry. I'll write you...
You go ahead.
J'ai mal lu et tout, donc je ne sais pas ce qu'il a dit. Putain, il faut que je sois concentré. Je suis pas concentré, je suis dissipé. Est-ce que j'ai un trouble de l'attention? Aucune idée. Du coup. Derrière la cabane, donc on va essayer déjà mon truc. Alors.
Ha! There you go.
Ok.
Ha! There you go. There. The capsule is ready. Now, all I have to do is calibrate the harpoon.
Ok, très bien. Ça, c'est fait.
And I've been working on this for... It must have been...
Alors, maintenant, bah, on va voir le harpon. Comment on fait pour le calibrer? Ok.
There. Too bad the two directions of the control stick are blocked, but who needs those anyway? The main thing is that the crosshairs are right on the tracks. And then, I'm gone. This will be a walk in the park.
Ça marche. Merci d'être passé en tout cas, les gars. Et bon courage pour demain. Et encore un noyau Joël, les enfants. Du coup. Ok. 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 Faut que j'aille là-bas. Hein. Ok. Allez, impeccable.
I did it! Now, I'll just light the fuse and boom! Well, that should be
Allez.
it. Stand by, Wenzel.
Ah.
Hello, Rufus.
Tony, why are you sneaking around like that?
This is still my house, remember? Well, it's not as obvious now since someone stole my mailbox. Oh, that reminds me. I'm supposed to give you this letter.
A letter?
Rufus, it's almost time.
Yes, I know. Sorry, Tony, but it's over. Once the fuse is lit, I'll be gone for good.
If only that was true.
Allez, vas-y, on va faire tous les dialogues là du coup.
Now you're sorry about some of the things you said.
That's right. Starting with, you can stay with me.
Je peux rester avec moi.
This is the final goodbye.
It's too early to jump for joy, I fear.
There's nothing you could say to prevent me from going.
What a stroke of luck. That means I can't say anything wrong.
Il est trop
No,
tard.
it's too late. You can beg all you want, but I won't take you along with me.
Can I have that in writing?
Why are you here? Are you still hoping for a miracle?
It would be a miracle if you finally disappeared for real. But in case it doesn't work out again, I'll at least have the satisfaction of seeing you injure yourself.
I'm leaving. For good.
I gave up hope of that a long time ago.
Très bien. Il faut que j'allume la mèche du coup.
This will be the most spectacular depart. I better not touch this again. It's all set up and ready to go. I just then the rocket, the escape once the then. I better not touch this again. It's all set up.
Mais comment je fais pour activer le truc du coup? Mhm.
This will be the most.
Ah bah oui. Allez sur le harpon.
I've welded this thing long enough now. Now is when it counts. Hullabaloo.
Allez, c'est parti. Ouais, je me rappelais plus qu'il y avait un peu un côté CGI.
The letter. Dear Mr. Bridger, we are happy to inform you, blah, blah, blah. Get to the point, will ya? Unfortunately, the delivery of your screws will be delayed for... Please find enclosed a voucher for a pack of rivets. We apologize for any inconvenience this might have caused.
Ah.
Sincerely yours. Just a second. Screws?
Ok. Très bien, on est bloqué là-dessus. Ok, très bien.
Phew, what a maneuver. Hey, my suitcase is here too. It must have got entangled in the chain. Just like I planned.
On dit vite fait quoi. Et la brosse à dents, on n'en a pas besoin. Ok, très bien. Du coup,
Flood of trash behind it. Shit. Reminds me of my ex-home.
ok,
A well-oiled gearbox.
très bien. Et là, c'est des écoutilles.
A wire grating. There's a shaft leading upward behind it. Ouch! The wire's cutting into my flesh. I need, well, something like, has anyone here got a bolt cutter?
On a des cisailles, bah c'est con.
I'll save my telekinetic powers.
Ok. Du coup, on a que deux trucs.
There's a flood of trash behind you.
Là, on va juste ouvrir celui-là, hein.
Ugh, I'm getting dirt between my teeth already. Ugh, I better leave it closed for now.
Les chaussettes peut-être là-dedans.
It already has plenty of oil stains.
Ok.
Ah! Hey! Aggressive little bugger. As long as it's active, I'll never be able to grab it.
Ok.
Not a chance. I bust.
À part si peut-être je l'attrape avec la chaussette. Ok.
Hey!
Bon, déjà, on a trouvé un semblant de solution. Hmm. Ah, là, j'avais pas vu les coutilles.
Not a chance. I need fingers like Wenzel's to reach into those cracks. I'll never be able to. Why? Those are still.
Ok. Comment on fait? Parce que j'avais trouvé le bon truc, hein, mais...
Ugh, I'm getting dirt between my teeth already. Ugh, I better leave it closed for now. You don't play with unless it's real. Ah! Hey! Aggressive little bugger. As long as it's active, I'll never be able to grab it.
Bah, en gros, peut-être juste le fait que c'est désactivé. Alors,
I'll save my telekinetic. Ugh, I better.
ok. Ah bah, attends.
I'll save my telekinetic. I'll save my. Why? Those are still good.
Alors. Ah, oups, excusez-moi. Comment qu'on fait? Parce que là, je vois pas, hein. Ah, attends.
The shape reminds me of something.
Enfin, on me rappelle quelque chose. Très bien.
Ah, the arm is removing the nuts from the gearbox. Well, look at those shiny little teeth. The maintenance arm's behind there.
Ouais, parce qu'on a trouvé comment faire déjà pour le faire apparaître. Mais par contre, c'est... Comment on chope le bras? Alors,
Hey, aggressive little bugger. Yeah, as long as
alors attendez 2 secondes. J'ai juste regardé un bref petit coup d'œil. Hum. Alors, ne bougez pas YouTube. Dès qu'on aura fini ce tableau, on fera une pause dans la VOD. Alors, juste, oui, ça c'est bon. Oui, c'est bon. Alors, ça on l'a trouvé, donc c'est pas un souci. C'est bah, c'est exactement ce que je fais depuis le début, mais tu veux pas. C'est exactement ce que j'avais pensé. Alors,
socks.
ah, attends. Peut-être sur les coutilles en fait. Ok. Ok, impeccable. Est-ce qu'on peut récupérer la chaussette? Non. Ok. Donc, maintenant... Ah! Qui c'est?
This is unbelievable. This is just impossible. I think I'm getting dizzy.
Are you suffering from vertigo, Miss Gold? You should have stayed in your cabin. It was foolish of you to go against my orders.
What? What's going on here, Bailiff? Did you know about all this? Just a minute. All of you knew about this, right? The whole Organon is involved in this? Did you really think you could just keep it a secret? Wait until Cletus hears about this.
But you won't be telling him anything about it. You will be a good girl and wait here until the Prime Controller arrives.
And then? What then? I am an Elysian, not one of his office clerks. How does he plan to assure my silence?
Just you wait, Miss Gold. I don't want to ruin the surprise.
Holy smoke, a real orbit pixie. I bet you'll be pretty thankful once I've rescued her from the clutches of the Dark Exchequer. Let's go. Rufus to the rescue.
Très bien. Ah bah on y va, hein. Levier vert, hein.
Take that.
No, don't! Ah!
What's that? Ah!
Oops, guess that was the wrong lever.
You damned fool! How dare you mess with the plans of the Organon? Men, throw him overboard!
You need to catch me first, but I'm much too fast for you, see? First I'm here, and now I'm gone. Here, gone. Ouch. I was was so close. But no, the minute I see a beautiful damsel in distress, wham! Well, I guess that's just who I am. I'm simply a die-hard do-gooder.
Ok. Bon. Bah, je crois qu'on a fait le tour. YouTube. La fin de cette VOD. Si t'as kiffé et tout, tu sais ce qu'il reste à faire. Et n'hésite pas à faire un coucou sur Twitch. Voilà, ça fait un moment que j'ai pas foutu les VOD, donc on fera ça sous peu. Allez, bisous YouTube, à tout.